Can Dodge wheel spacers cause wheel vibration? People worry that the Dodge wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, Dodge wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is first sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the Dodge wheel spacers and the tightness of the lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric Dodge wheel spacers. A lug-centric spacer means there is a big hole in the middle, and the lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle's hubs only by the wheel stud. If you are using these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced Hub-centric Dodge wheel spacers will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality Dodge wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel stub and the lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the Dodge wheel spacers and wheels. If the stud or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS Dodge wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM410 steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade copper 9 with high strength. Your Dodge wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric Dodge wheel spacers keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle hub while driving. After the spacer and the wheels are properly struck, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolt of the wheels to the hub of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Dodge wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issue. BONOSS Dodge wheel spacers are designed with better mounted state hub-centric design. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bells fit the corresponding hub branch, which eliminates any possible gap. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Dodge wheel spacers are components that contain the other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerance.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.